Hello traders, investors, and cryptocurrency enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel where we bring you the most relevant news, in-depth analyses, and realistic projections about the digital currency universe. The cryptocurrency market has been shaken by one of the most impactful news stories in recent months. Forward Industries Ford announced an ambitious treasury program worth $1.65 billion, entirely dedicated to purchasing and managing Solana Sol. This announcement not only sent the company's stock soaring up more than 101% in pre-market trading, jumping to around $33 per share, but also boosted the SOL token itself, which has already surpassed the psychological threshold of $240, gaining over 6% in the last 24 hours. This strategic move places Forward Industries squarely at the heart of the Solana ecosystem, transforming it into the largest institutional holder of SOL among all publicly traded companies worldwide. Based on current prices, the $1.65 billion translates into over 7.7 million SOL tokens, a colossal volume that represents a significant portion of the blockchain's circulating supply. To put this into perspective, this number equates to approximately 1.8% of all SOL in circulation, an undeniable signal of massive confidence in the technology, adoption, and future appreciation potential of the network. A powerful backing. Industry giants step in. The operation is neither isolated nor speculative. It comes with financial and strategic backing from some of the most respected names in the crypto universe: Galaxy Digital, Jump Crypto, Multicoin Capital, and CM Capital Partners, LP, the main shareholder of Forward Industries itself. This alliance of titans is not just a capital injection, it's a collective vote of confidence in Solana as a critical infrastructure platform for the future of digital finance. These firms' involvement goes beyond direct investment. Each brings fundamental expertise to structure and sustain Ford's new treasury model. Galaxy Digital, led by Mike Novogratz, will act as a consultant in structuring the on-chain portfolio, ensuring security, compliance, and tax efficiency. Jump Crypto, known for its advanced technical capabilities, will help develop the necessary infrastructure to manage large volumes of transactions and staking, optimizing costs and speed. Multicoin Capital, historically a fervent advocate for Solana, will provide strategic guidance on governance, participation in DeFi protocols, and asset allocation within the ecosystem. This tripartite collaboration creates a powerful hybrid model, a publicly listed company making treasury decisions with the technical and analytical support of Web3 specialized funds. It sets a precedent that could inspire hundreds of other companies to follow suit. Leadership change. Multicoin takes command. The change is not only financial lights, also institutional. Kyle Samani, co-founder and managing partner of Multicoin Capital, has taken the role of chairman of the board of directors at Forward Industries, solidifying the company's commitment to Solana's long-term vision. Alongside him, Chris Ferraro from Galaxy Digital and Saurabh Sharma from Jump Crypto have been appointed board observers, further strengthening the company's decentralized and technically informed governance. Samani, one of Solana's biggest advocates since its early days, stated that the time is perfect to build a robust treasury on Solana. He argues that despite the exponential growth in developer activity, users, and applications, the network's valuation remains substantially below its true fair value. Solana has the best balance between scalability, security, and decentralization in the market. And we're only at the beginning of the institutional adoption cycle, he said in a statement. This declaration echoes a growing thesis among major industry players that Solana, having overcome its periods of instability and matured technically with upgrades like Alpenglow, is ready to become the primary infrastructure platform for future financial services. Direct impact on SOL price? Where could it go? The announcement had an immediate effect on the market. SOL broke through the critical resistance level of $224, which had been limiting gains in previous days, reaching $240 for the first time since February. Technical analysts now suggest that, with the influx of institutional demand and rising positive sentiment, the next natural target lies between $280 and $320. More important than the immediate price, however, is the signal of institutional validation. When giants like Galaxy and Jump Crypto invest billions into a single blockchain, they are telling the market this is the infrastructure we are rebetting our future on. This kind of endorsement tends to attract pension funds, ETFs, banks, and traditional corporations. This is much bigger than a simple asset purchase, says Nate McDonald, head of product at Ondo Finance, in a recent comment. It's proof that blockchains can be directly integrated into corporate treasury strategies. The line between traditional company and Web3 company is disappearing. Opportunities in the ecosystem. Where does Snorterbot fit in? While Forward Industries makes a high-level move, the entire Solana ecosystem gains strength. And in this expanding scenario, innovative projects have room to shine. One standout is Snorterbot, an automated trading platform integrated with Telegram that has been gaining attention for its efficiency and exclusive features. Just as Forward seeks to generate returns by exploring opportunities within Solana's on-chain environment, Snorterbot operates under the same principle, but focused on the highly volatile and lucrative niche of meme coins. The tool allows traders to capture new token launches within seconds, often before they even enter centralized exchanges. With features such as automatic sniping, instant execution in newly created pools, scam detection with up to 85% accuracy using artificial intelligence, MEV, minor extractable value protection, preventing transactions from being manipulated by malicious bots, copy trading, allowing beginners to follow the strategies of experienced traders. Snorterbot positions itself as essential infrastructure for anyone looking to compete in this high-speed market. Perfect synergy with Solana's new phase. The project's timing is nearly perfect. With the Alpenglow upgrade reducing block finalization time to 100 to 150 milliseconds, Solana has become the fastest blockchain in the world, ideal for sniping operations where every millisecond counts. The liquidity increase brought by major players like Forward Industries only amplifies this advantage. Furthermore, the success of the Snort token presale, which has already raised $3.8 million, demonstrates the growing market interest in solutions that leverage Solana's combination of speed, low fees, and innovation. The project is not just a two-lits, a direct bet on the same future that Galaxy, Jump, and Multicoin are now funding with billions of dollars. Snorterbot represents the operational side of Solana's boom, explains Wu Blockchain, influencer, and emerging markets analyst. While big companies build treasuries and long-term infrastructure, traders need tools to capture immediate returns. That's exactly what Snorter delivers. Conclusion: a new era for Solana begins now. The historic $1.65 billion Solana purchase by Forward Industries is not just a financial move, it's a symbolic milestone. It marks the moment when a publicly listed company, backed by industry giants, decides that the best way to generate value for its shareholders is through a native Web3 blockchain. This event validates Solana's maturity, reinforces its position as a leader in scalability, attracts even more developers, capital, and global attention. And like any major wave of innovation, it creates collateral opportunities. Projects like Snorterbot, which offer democratic access to sophisticated trading strategies, are the true beneficiaries of this new dynamic. If Forward Industries can buy millions of SOL to strengthen its treasury, why couldn't a trader use Snorterbot to strengthen their portfolio? Solana's future has never been clearer, and those positioned within the ecosystem, whether as institutional investors or active DeFi participants, are ready to ride the next great wave of the digital revolution.